Hello children, welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Children, here we are discussing our first chapter from semester 2, Living and Non-Living Things. In our previous classes, we have discussed different characteristics of living things. Which are they? Yes, living things move, living things grow, living things need food. For what? To get energy for doing their daily work. Then living things breathe. Living things feel the changes around them. Living things reproduce. Children, today we are going to discuss one more characteristics of living thing. Living things grow old and die. Children, many of you having grandparents in your home, right? Either your father's parents or your mother's parents. Your grandparents are older than your parents, right? Your parents are older than you. After many years, you also become like your parents, and your parents become like your grandparents, right? So, all the living things grow old and die. Just like we human beings, animals also die after their lifespan. So, the animal like dog, they live for 10 to 12 years. The plant like sunflower, they also die after few months. Okay. So, the next characteristic of living thing is living things grow old and die. Okay. Children, these all are the different characteristics of living things. Hope all of you have understood these all characteristics very well. So, next we are going to do the text exercises. Are you ready? Then take your textbook and open it. Children, both animals and plants are living things, but there are differences between them. You have already learned about these differences, right? Try to fill the blanks yourself, okay? First one is about movement. Animals move from place to place in search of dash and dash. Yes, food and shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Plants do not move from place to place. So children, fill these blanks with correct word. Okay. Then turn the page. Next point is about food. Both plants and animals need food. Dash make their own food. Yes, plants. So you have to fill this blank with plant. Next point is about breathing. Animals have breathing organs such as dash, dash and air holes. Yes, nose, gills and air holes. Animals breathe through nose, fishes breathe through gills and insects breathe through air holes. Plants breathe through tiny openings in their leaves called dash. Yes, stomata. Then the next point is about sense organs. Animals have sense organs to know about their surroundings and to feel dash around them. Yes, feel the changes. Then the last point is about reproduction. Animals reproduce by giving birth to dash. Yes, young ones, or by laying dash eggs from which young ones hatch. Plants reproduce mainly from dash. Yes, seeds. Some plants also reproduce through body parts such as dash, roots and dash. Yes, stem, roots and leaves. First exercise is choose the correct options. First question, humans breathe through their, you have 4 options over here. First one, gills, then nose, fins and air holes. Which one is correct? Yes, human beings breathe through nose. Then you have to circle the second option, nose. Second question, this does not breathe. Your options, a mosquito, a plant, a fish, a table. Which is your answer? Yes, fourth option, a table. So you have to circle a table. The third question, these give birth to young ones. Your options, birds, monkeys, snakes and crocodiles. What is your answer? As we discussed before, in these four options, birds, snakes and crocodiles lay eggs. But monkeys give birth to their young ones. So which is the correct answer? Yes, monkeys. You have to circle second option, monkeys. Then the fourth question, these animals lay eggs. Which is the correct option? Yes, D, alligators. Circle that. Next is true or false. First sentence, snakes move with the help of their fins. Is it true or false? Yes, false. Second question, plants make their own food. Yes, it is true. Third one, fish breathe through the air holes in their bodies. Yes, false. Fishes breathe through their gills. Fourth question, when leaves fall on the ground, new plants grow from them. Is it true or false? Yes, false. Fifth question, when living things die, they cannot breathe. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. The third exercise is match the words in the two columns. In column A, you can see the words birds, fish, insects, touch me not. In column B, you can see the sentences breathe through air holes, leaves close when touched, breathe through gills, have wings with feathers to move. You have to match the words with correct sentence. Okay, first one, birds. Yes, birds have wings with feathers to move. Then second word is fish. Yes, fish breathe through gills. Third word, insects. Insects breathe through air holes. And the last word, touch me not. Leaves close when touched. So children, we have completed our first lesson from semester 2. Hope all of you have understood this lesson very well. So, read the textbook and study the notes and also go through the text exercises. I am going to conduct a class test in next class. So, study well. Okay. We'll meet in our next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.